How to create a USA Gmail account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a USA Gmail account. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just search in for this VPN. For this, you'll need a VPN, you require a VPN. So just open the application and make sure you have connected your server or your browser VPN to United States West. So once you select it, just enable it, and as you can see, it's connected. So now simply open up your Gmail account or Gmail application, or you can also go through your browser. So I'll just click on Gmail account. So once I'm inside my Gmail, I'll just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner and just click on this add another account option over here and just select the Google option and just follow the on-screen instruction. Since we are creating a new account, just tap on this create account button over here and click on for personal use and just provide the first name and last name just like this, and also provide your basic information like birthday, gender, and then click on next. So you can also create your own Gmail address, or you can just choose any one of these just like this and click on next and just enter your provide your password and just click on next. Then just select next button over here once again. So if you see the phone number or contact number options right in the middle of this process, then you can see, or you should notice, that the US flag should be already up or right next to that mobile number field section. So for this case, it's not showing on my device, maybe of my account option. So once you do all of that, just click on I agree and you should have successfully created your Gmail account just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.